The MTI see-through PE200 Traffic Door is the most robust solution for food manufacturing, retail and logistics industries. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. These custom-made doors are made from solid 15mm thick polyethylene in a range of colours with clear acrylic vision panels that give a safe view of oncoming traffic. The stainless steel hinges pivot in both directions, and the whole design is both maintenance-free and hygienic, with both EU and FDA approvals for use in food manufacturing operations. The rugged design makes the PE200 virtually unbreakable, with impact panels to help cushion the impact of trolleys and pallet trucks. And you can find out more from MTI Qualos on 1300 135 539 or visit them online, mtiqualos.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.